cut zucchini, put it in the egg wash, from the egg wash into the panko and the Parmesan cheese, roll it around, put it on the pan, and these are going to be for frying or baking. Here we go. All right, time for the goodies. Let's go. Now we're going to bake them for 400 degrees at 12 to 15 minutes. And we're going to use a slotted pan, so that way the air flows through and they cook up really good. You might get a little drizzle on the bottom. I would suggest you put some tin foil in the bottom of the oven. That can help you protect it, or some kind of a pan. Come on down. All right, it's time to put them in the oven at 400 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes until they're brown. And by the way, I gotta tell you something. I added some grated Parmesan cheese along with the shredded to help it stick together along with the egg wash. So, come on, let's go. That look gorgeous or what? I'm getting hungry. Come. Go take these out. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. All right, they're done. Just got them out of the oven. Okay, look at this. This side is fried. This side is baked. After the baked is finished on your time, go ahead and hit the broiler for a little bit. Make sure you watch it because they can brown too fast. Okay, so I want them to be just perfect for you. So, from Vito's Italian Cucina, a little bit of zucchini, a little cheesy zucchini that you're gonna love. Remember, Vito's Italian Cucina is youtube.com. Come on over and subscribe. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Arrivederci.